Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. After a long time I'm going to make this video. Yeah, it's been a long time since I made video. So today I decided to make video for you. So many of my friends have been eagerly waiting for my video and they wanted to see my hair transplant results so far. So but this video I'm going to make in English. Many of my friends are not acquainted with my native language. They don't know what I am speaking in my videos. My previous video, as you know, they are all in Urdu, and so this video will be in English. And English is a global language everyone can easily understand. As you know, my I got my hair transplant 3 years ago. You can see my hair transplant results so far, and let's quick at my hair transplant result. And you can see the length of my hair transplant result. You can see the length of my hair. I have not taken my haircut on the top in a long time, but I do mostly left and right. And my hair are gradually weaker, but still good. And there were some existing hair during the hair transplant, and they are fell down over the time and left some gaps between the hair. So yeah, I will tell you the three things in this video. I will tell you how much money I did spend for my hair transplant, and how many PRP I have taken after my hair transplant, and which medicine I did use after hair transplant. Yeah, I did spend 65,000 rupees for my hair transplant. There was 3,500 drops, one PRP free in my package, and if you want to convert in this year in your currency, you can do. I think the 250 or $300 would be. Yeah, so how many PRP I have taken after hair transplant? I have taken 4 PRP. My hair transplant. First, my PRP was while hair transplant, and the second PRP I took after 1 month, and the third after 2 months. But after my third, my fourth PRP I have taken after 5 months. So 4 PRP I have taken after my hair transplant. And the which medicine I did use after hair transplant, I did use HNS tablet and hair mesh spray, which was suggested me by doctor. And I used to take tablet twice a day, and I used to spray also twice a day. And I used to take medicine for 3 months, and I did use spray for 6 months. And this was the information I wanted to tell you. And friends, tell me which kind of content I should upload for YouTube videos, because uh, videos are necessary. If you want to run your YouTube channel, videos are necessary. You have to upload on daily basis. So I was thinking that what kind of content I should upload. Suggest me in comment, and we'll see you in next video.